Yeah, again, once again, a warm welcome to all the participants, and again, uh, all of those who are going to receive awards today. Of course, there is not going to be any physical award today. Instead, we'll honor by playing a video, and we'll have a speech on from MMCL, that's Metropolitan Media Limited, to on the certification that they have taken last year. So yes, basically today's award is going to be basically it's an inspiration award from INCQC contest. So all these award categories are in line with the INCQC. Obviously, we love to award you the physical trophies and certificates, but unfortunately, yes, because of the pandemic and we are moving into a digital session, so we'll not be able to do that. And you don't have to receive any awards today. So just a presentation session and nothing else, nothing more than that. So obviously, we'll send a physical certificates to your address and so on. So maybe for the Star Club winners, we'll honor you in the next year conference, physical conference as well. So that's the plan. No more receiving of physical, digital receiving of awards. Yes, and today we'll have INCQC winners from India. That will be a part of the agenda, and also best in print winners. That's across Asia. Again, Star Club winners. First, that is new Star Club winners from India, and again at the end we'll have a speech, as I said. Before that, I'll just play a video which will display all the awards. So here we go, the video. Yes. Thank you very much, Wilson. Yes. With this, I would like to call my MD, Mr. Magdum Mohammed, to say a few words about the journey of these awards and so on. Please, Magdum.
Yeah. Morning. Pleased to address you all again today. Vanipar has been organizing this International Color Quality Club competition ICQC for the past 26 years. And this is our 14th edition of the competition, organized once every 2 years. ICQC formed the basis for all the print awards and Star Club award we saw today, and also for the ISO quality certification by Vanipar. When we started the preparation or rather registration for ICQC, the pandemic struck at the right time. So it was challenging getting all the printed copies in time. There was lack of manpower in the printing plants to print the copies. We had to extend our deadlines by a couple of times. And there was obviously the drop in registration of the number of titles who participated in this conference. But we are very happy to see the kind of commitment from those participated in the competition. Extraordinary commitment from all those who participated. And especially the participants from India is excellent, and then we had record number of titles registering for this Color Quality Club competition this year. I think this is the highest in the world in terms of number of registered titles we have. And this reminds me of ICONS, Indian Cold Set Offset Newspaper Standardization that Vanipar ran in the early 2000s. And what a way that we have traveled so far. The impeccable print quality we have seen in Indian newspapers over a period of time. We can all be proud of the excellent quality of newspaper produced every day for our readers and advertisers. So all the print managers who are watching this program today, we can be proud that we are part of a great journey, that we have seen excellent growth in the quality of newspaper printing in India. I'm happy that we have a record number of winners from India again. India has been increasing the tally year on year. In fact, last year, in the last edition of the competition, 2018-20, we came out with a book. I hope you all have seen it. It's called India's Best Printed Newspapers 2018-20. We just published it last month. I mean, we could not send the copies in time due to COVID pandemic, but we came up with a book that will showcase all the best printed newspapers who participated in the ICQC competition last time. And again, this year, we hope to have much bigger book this time after the maybe in a couple of months from now. I'd like to congratulate all the winners and also the Best in Print Award winners, all of them, from across Asia. We have from Hong Kong, Apple Daily, and from Middle East, and then to India, to all the winners. Hearty congratulations to all of them. And my special word of appreciation to Metropolitan Media Company Limited, Bangalore, for the certification of ISO print quality. I think their Hubli Print Center was the one who got the award now. And this is the first time in India we have an Indian printer who is getting this ISO print quality award. This is not an easy task, but it requires a lot of passion and commitment to give very good quality day on, and sustain the quality for next 2 years. And then they are the second in South Asia. First one was Sri Lanka, Vijay Newspapers, who got the same certification a couple of years back. Then we are the second newspaper who have certificate from South Asia and first in the country today. We would have loved to present all these awards in person with a loud applause, and we missed that really today. But we present them with no loss of our cheers and spirits. I look forward to see a larger participation in the next edition. And then my congratulations again to all the winners. Thank you. Thank you all. And then back to you, Prabhu.
Yeah, thank you, Magdum. Thanks a lot. And again, of course, as he said, we congratulate all the winners. And with that, I request Mr. Roy to speak for a couple of minutes, because this, let me just give you the background. Of course, we just thought we'll honor only the gold winners, and then the ISO certification, ask them to speak for a couple of minutes max. But then Apple Daily was one among the gold winner, but they were not able to participate, unfortunately. So they had some other commitment. And I would request Mr. Roy to speak as they are one of the gold award winner. Also, they have taken a certification for one of their company. So please, Mr. Roy, please join us.
Hi, good morning again, and thank you, Prabhu. I think I'm visible and audible.
Yes, please. Yes, you are visible, audible. Yes.
Okay. So best of print, it's something that has been very close to our heart. We have been participating for 5 times now, 10 decades, 10 years altogether, and 3 or 4 of our plants have now already got into the Star Club membership, which is a very good honor. And I remember of celebrating the same thing with ABP when I was in ABP. So it has been always a pursuit of Indian print industry to be excelling in print quality. One after another, many companies followed suit and performed their duties in terms of participating in ICONS program. I remember as a inaugurating first member of ICONS core team, joining Vanifra's efforts, and then from there the journey. I've always been along with Vanifra, working with the different teams to ensure print quality in India. And this has been a very big pride on terms of Times of India Group, because not only they have become Star Club member, but all 11 plants have got a very high, level of achievement this year. And out of what the Prabhu just showed, I was delighted to see out of 6 medals that has been offered by Best in Print, 5 of them is lapped up by Times of India Group. And our gold winner Kandivali plant, we have to special mention of them, because last year also Kandivali plant became the world's #1 in the 150 plus category, winning gold. So this is a 2-time gold winning for Times of India Group and Kandivali plant itself. So congratulations to all the people of Times of India, all the participants as a whole from all over the world. And my special thanks to the hard work done by MMCL, our group company, and Mr. R. Srinivasan. I would understand that Prabhu, Srini can talk a little bit about their achievement.
Yeah, he can talk for 30 seconds.
MMCL has made us proud as well. Yeah.
Very quick word from Srini. That's great.
Srini, can you open your video and start talking?
Yes. Everybody. Going through the certification process in itself was a challenging task, sir. Especially in view of the going pandemic. However, the learning from the certification journey are many, and we'll try hard work, take this forward to our daily schedules. Would like you to place a record our sincere thanks to our technical director and CEO for his guidance and support. A big thanks also to Vanifra for recognizing our efforts, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, Srini, and it was a great pleasure to have MMCL be part of this elite club. Thank you.
Thanks for your under leadership. This one, we have got this one.
Yeah. With that, yes, thank you, Srini. And yes, now we have no other session except, yes, we'll move on to the afternoon session. And before that, I would request to play a video after this, and about this exhibition, like how to access the virtual exhibition, and then we'll wind up the session. Yeah, video please.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
You wish. Have some fun networking and connecting with other attendees. Let's check out the Meeting Hub for today's event. Meeting Hub is a great way to look for other coworkers or business associates. You can simply scroll through the names, search for a specific person, or use advanced search. If you filled out a Meeting Hub profile, you can search on the same questions you answered for all other attendees. It's a great way to find attendees with a similar background or a set of interests as you do. In the middle, you can see all connections you've requested or have been sent, and at the top, everyone you've connected with are shown. Now you can chat, hold instant meetings, or arrange a meeting later in the day. Remember, you can come here anytime you want to create new connections. Let's check out the virtual exhibition. Here, you can check out and visit with exhibitors, just like a live event. You can view exhibitor profiles, download brochures, watch videos, and when the exhibition stands are open, have instant meetings with exhibitors. How great is that? All you need to do is when you find an exhibitor you want to visit with, simply click on their stand and choose any exhibitor that is currently at the stand. You'll join a queue to visit with that exhibitor, and when it's your turn, you are taken to a video chat where you and the exhibitor can have a great video conversation. There's a lot going on in today's virtual event, and you are welcome to check out the different things going on. Remember, if you have any questions, just click on the red live support icon at the top. We'll be glad to help you out. Have a great day at our virtual program. We're glad you're here, and have fun at today's event.
Yeah, as it was played, please access our virtual exhibition and meet the people out there and have a live chat session and have a video conference chats. Yes, with that, we are closing the session and then we'll catch you in the afternoon. Thank you.